open this for me, please?
You got any pickle jars you need as well? Good job, good job. There. That is all you. You're standing there. She's coming from the back, right? That's your ball. All right, defense, be ready. Oh. Why are you reaching up for it?
Don't jump. So if you're back there, you're already far enough back. Don't jump for it.
Hey, watch the corners. Good. 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 Long way. You got a second ball, right? Then take it.
Okay.
Nope. Oh, I got saved. Hey, a little less. There. That's it. Hey, how did that feel? Remember that feeling and do it again, right? That's about your distance. Too much. There, good. Good job, ladies. Good job. Too much. Odin. Hey, seriously. Take some off, right? Take a breath and just worry about your form, not about the strength. There, perfect, perfect. That's what I'm looking for. There it is. Hey, that's what you're looking for. You realize you didn't go fast, right? You kept it slow, solid contact. That's all you need, right? You don't need strength, you don't need that much speed because you got so much power, you're gonna send it out every time, right? So instead of worrying about dialing back, just slow down your, right? Take a breath. All right. Usa. All right. All right. Keep up on 3.
Keep it up on 3. Keep it up on 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up.
Gangsters in the house.
Yeah. Okay.
2 of them over there in the corner. Over there.
Oh, I know him too.
They just look like some gangsters.
He is actually. The one in the white? Yeah. Perfect. Get there. Keela, how many times we gotta say you gotta move? Be ready. You make some great plays. Don't get me wrong, all right? But I need more of those. See? One step, right? And you make a play. One step and you make a play. No, you don't. You missed. You're an injury there. Everything was good except for your contact. Oh, swiping, right? Elbows up, wrist stays the same. Next play, next play. It's going towards the middle. Ali. Ali, you keep, right? Don't do that. Hey. Get those fingers wide too. Oh my God, Kendall. Hey. Good, good. Bring it in. Hey. Correct. So, I want you to focus, right? When you go, I want you to throw that elbow back and then throw the elbow forward. That hand doesn't move. What you're doing is you're doing this, right? You're just kind of swatting back and then swatting forward, right? I want you to put that elbow back and then push the elbow forward so that way you can come up on top. Leave that hand by itself, all right? Hey, if you end up missing the next serve because of it, I don't care, but work on that form. That would have been out. There. Better. Finally, some communication. I love it. All right.
All right, defense.
Get this ball right back, right? Let's make a play. Nope. Hey, that should be worth 3 points. That should be worth 3 for hitting her. I was telling her it should be worth 3 points since we hit you.
What?
She was aiming for you.
Who?
I server.
I know. I got scared.
You should have been. Right? I got lucky. Got lucky. Hey, remember. There. Hey, I want you to think of that every time you get the ball. Right? You guys, yeah. They got her attention. She looked over, smiled, and then winged it. Hey, don't get beat by underhand. We got to move faster than that, okay? No, you're right. She needed to get there faster. Perfect. There.
There you go.
Nope. All right. One play. One play. That's all we need. Good. Good play. Yeah. You're good, okay? Don't lose the ball. Line up.